here's what's crazy about everything though. You got people on YouTube right now complaining, man. All they do, they make money from complaining. Let me tell you something. At what point do you guys don't get it? Don't say this. Don't say this. At what point don't you say this to yourself? Yo, if you gonna complain every video about this stuff, why do you still do it?
I'm in my element, it's evident that there's levels to the game. All of those dark nights I got then, breaking my back to make it out, got me feeling like rain. I ain't never need your help, I know you wishing me well, a penny for your thoughts, but seeing no change.
What? If it's so negative, if it's so bad in your life, why are you watching these types of videos? Why are you trying to even pursue it? If it's so bad. If it's so bad, stop making videos on it, right? Stop talking about it and talk about something else. If it's so freaking bad, do something else that's good, right? Why are you putting out negativity, right? So if it's so bad for you, why do you continue to make these videos about how bad it is for you? Like, who wants to do that? That's depressing. Every video is depressing. Oh, you know, we're just not making money. Oh, it's just not working in our markets. Like, okay, I get it. And if it's not, find another hustle to run it up. Stop. No, let me tell you something. If you sit there and cry, complain, you ain't gonna get nowhere in life doing that. You think the government cares about your complaints? You think Instacart cares about you complaining? They don't care. They don't care. That's why y'all look at my channel. It's fun. I'm running it up. I'm having fun. I'm making money. I'm showing y'all how we make money because I don't want to put out that negative, depressing, when does it stop? We're not being treated fairly. Yeah, we aren't. Yeah, okay, but let's make the best out of it for those that want to do it still. But y'all don't understand, these YouTubers y'all are watching are making money off of y'all because what they're doing is they're tapping in to the negative. And see, negative has way more audience retention than positivity. People want to know about the downfalls more than they want to know about positivity. That's why, things like when something bad happens, like if somebody did something to somebody else, or there was a massive crazy incident, that gets a lot of views, a lot of attention, because for some reason, people's mindsets focus more on negativity than positivity. That's why it's funny to me that people are even, and honestly, get your bread, to all the creators out there that's even still doing this type of content. But in my opinion, you guys, listen, you guys are setting yourself up for failure, because the more you listen to that negative stuff, the more it's gonna play a role in your life. You're gonna really start to believe it. Like, yeah, there's no way out. Instacart just sucks. There's no way I can make what he makes. Well, look, if that's the case, stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time watching these people on YouTube cry about Instacart, and instead do something better. Do something that where you can make more money. All right. So at that point, it's Christmas Eve. That's my grandma calling for Christmas Eve. I'm about to run it up. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how much money we've been running it up. Team, run it up. Let's get it. You already know. If you haven't already, hit the bell. We about to have some fun. Let's do it. All right, so team, run it up. As you can see, it is daylight out, and right now, I'm delivering an 80 banger. Let's get it. 80 banger, triple. Christmas Eve. Good morning, right? And forgive me for that little rant this morning. You know what I mean? I'm tired of seeing it, man. Tired of seeing it. So at the end of the day, it's two sides to this right now. You either gonna get up and get it, or you gonna complain about it. Which one? Which one are you? Are you gonna get up and get it, or are you gonna complain about it? And frankly, if you're a complainer, I don't want nothing to do with you if you're a complainer, straight up. Because we gotta make a way every time. We gotta make a way. Instacart or no Instacart, we gotta make a way. If you work a 9-to-5 job, so what? Run it up. Run it up is a lifestyle. It's a movement. It's not just about Instacart. If Instacart's not working for you, switch it up. But run it up, always. Let's get it. Team, run it up. About to drop off this 80 banger. Let's do this. All right, so check this out, fam. Yo, some crazy stuff happened. So that 80 went up to 180. Well, actually, it went down to 77. But the third customer said she's gonna tip me higher, so it might go back up past 80. But then I got a $100 cash tip, so that's lovely. So it went up to 180 or 177 for now. And then on top of that, I just swiped a 68 banger. All right, so yeah, it's a triple order. I really don't feel like doing a triple, but it is what it is. It's $68. About to go in here and run it up. You already know, you know what I'm saying? And look, here's the thing, if the orders are not plentiful, right, wherever you are, because sometimes they're not even plentiful here. If the orders are not plentiful wherever you are, you got to make the best of wherever you are. The one thing I can say is if I lived in any other place, I'd still be one of the top shoppers in that area. Don't let anybody outwork you.
Set the pace as long as you finish. Consumers find a way inside your business. Babble if they try to dabble in it, and they hate the fact that they may have to witness. You tryna aim for the top like this, and you're in your element with a fire like this, and they hoping you fall and they praying you miss, but it's all in the risk. I got you with the switch, you know.